हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आई होप एवरीवन इज डूइंग गुड। तो आज हम सॉल्व करते हैं लीड कोड प्रॉब्लम 2000 रिवर्स प्रीफिक्स ऑफ वर्ड। तो ये भी काफ़ी पॉपुलर कोडिंग प्रॉब्लम है स्ट्रिंग से रिलेटेड। तो आज हम दो डिफरेंट वेज से इसका सॉल्यूशन इंप्लीमेंट करेंगे। तो शुरू करते हैं। गिवन जीरो इंडेक्स स्ट्रिंग वर्ड एंड कैरेक्टर ch reverse the segment of word that starts at index 0 and ends at the index of first occurrence of ch inclusive. If the character ch does not exist, then do nothing. For example, word a b c d e f, and then d, ch is d. So then you should reverse the segment that starts at 0 and ends at 3 inclusive. The resulting string will be like this. Okay. So basically this part a b c d you want to reverse, right? So it will become dcba and then the remaining part will remain unchanged. Okay. So return the resulting string. So this is what the problem says. Okay, so let's understand this better with some examples, then it will be more clear for you. Okay, so here first this example they just told us, right? So d is the character you are looking for. So d appears where? So d appears here, right? First occurrence. Okay, first occurrence of d. Okay, this d occurs here also, but we don't want this, right? We want the first occurrence. Okay, so once you find that first occurrence, what you will do? You will pick up this string from beginning to that character, this string, and then you will reverse it. So what will happen once you reverse it? It will look like this, basically, correct? It will look like this, dcba, and then remaining string efd will remain as it is. Okay, so this is what they are saying. Now in the second example, z is the character that you are looking for. So z appears here. So this part you will take and you will reverse this part. Once you reverse this part, it will become like this, right? It will become like this. So what it becomes? So z x y x, right? Z x y x and then xe. Okay, you got it, right? So this is what they are saying. So they are asking to look up for a character z. There is no z character here, so it will remain unchanged, right? So string will not change. Okay, so now you are getting the idea what they are saying. So reverse the prefix of word. Okay, so this is the first example. So now we'll look a little bit more closely what we are going to do the first implementation. So first implementation we'll do manual reversal, right? So D is the character. Once we so we'll go left to right. So we'll start in this direction. Whenever you find a D character, you will stop here, right? So you found D, you stop here. So you know the index, right? So you know this index where you found out D, and you always take the starting index as 0, right? And you will now keep swapping these characters basically. So it means that D will go here and A will come here. So like this. So D came here and A came here, correct? Okay. So next time you will do the swapping of these characters. So now what will happen? C will come here and B will come here, correct? And that's it basically, correct? EFD you will just put it as it is because there is no change, correct? So this is the way we will just manually implement the first way. So I will show you how to write down this one and do the swapping. Okay, so this is the manual part basically, correct? So we are implementing it without using any third party or any other library, right? So reverse prefix is the method we are implementing. A word and a character is given to us, right? So we will take one word to character array answer, right? So we'll just convert that word to character array. I'll take the two pointers, k is 0, j is 0, right? And I'll start looking for that character, right, in the given word. So I is equal to 0, I is less than word dot length I plus plus. Whenever I found out a character at index I, right? So this is the character D. Whenever I found out this index character, right? I know this index, right? I know this index I, so I will just assign that I index to j. Okay, and I'll break out of the for loop. Okay, so I know the j index, I know the k is 0. Now while k is less than j, now we'll do that swapping part. We'll take the answer of k as a temporary variable. Answer of k will become answer of j and answer of j will become t. So we are swapping basically. Okay, we are swapping this k and j as I shown you. So we are swapping D and A first time, then we will swap B and C second time, like this. Okay, K will increment and j will decrement. So you are in a while loop, so you will keep doing it for all the characters in that range. So in this case only these characters are there, right? So you will do it for all this swapping part. After that you have to just convert that answer array into a string by using a string constructor. Okay, so this is the string constructor. You can pass a character array there and it will give you a string and just return it, and that will reverse the prefix. Okay, so I hope you got the idea clearly. So let us run this code, make sure it works correctly. So you can see here that we are getting correct answer. So this is the one that we just saw the example, and these are some other examples. Again correct answer, and for this one correct answer. Submit this code now to the Leetcode. Make sure the code gets accepted by the Leetcode. And as you can see on your left side, the code is successfully accepted, guys. 100%, beautiful, beautiful, great. So now 100 percentile we got. So what we have done, so let's do a quick talk about the algorithmic analysis here. So we have used a for loop here. It means that it's order of n on time complexity. Okay, and after that we have used the character array here to hold the characters. So it means that it's again a order of n on the space. Okay, and it's perfectly fine for this example. As you can see, 100 percentile. So definitely we deserve a like for this one, right? So if you didn't like the video yet, please go ahead and like it. Then I'll show you the next solution. So I'll take a pause for you so that you can like and subscribe to our channel. Once you like it, come back and I'll show you the second answer, second solution. Okay, okay, so I hope you are back now. So we will now use a string builder class to implement our second solution, right? So we will just we'll just remove this solution for now, and I'll show you the second one now, right? So this is another solution for the same problem. So now we are going to use string builder here. So I'll first get the length of that word that is given to us, right? And I'll calculate the index of the character. So it will give me the index of where that character is the first occurrence. For example, in this case I will get 3 as the answer for that, right? I will get 3 here because D occurs first time here, so 3 I will get. Okay, so I got that end here as a 3. Now I will create a string builder str, and I will actually use the string builder constructor here. I will create a substring from 0 to n plus 1. So what I have done is I have taken this part as a substring. So ABCD part I took as a substring in that string builder. Now I have to reverse it, right? So I will do the string dot reverse here. So this part is reverse now, right? So it became DCBA basically. So this part I now got. Now I have to append the remaining part to it, correct? I have to append the remaining part. So I will get that ending part. So how I will get the ending part? Word dot substring from end plus 1 to word dot length. So it will give me the remaining part, right, which is EFD, and then I will just basically EFD part I will just append it to the string builder, right? So this is the ending part that will I got. So I got two parts basically. One is the starting part, I got this DCBA, and EFD is the ending part. Now I have to append them to each other, correct? So str dot append end part dot to string, right? So I'll get that complete string and I'll have to just return it, right? And then it will do the reverse prefix of that word, correct, for that given character. You understood, right? So this is how you can do that reverse prefix of a word, guys. So I hope it's pretty straightforward, right? So all we have done is we have just found out the index of the first occurrence of that character, and then we just have used the string builder to reverse it, right? That part here. So we just reverse that part, and then again we got the ending part and just appended it to the reverse part. That's all, right? So let's test this second solution also. So this is by using a string builder, right? So now you will see that this is again getting correct answers here. So we got a correct answer for third test case. So what about first correct answer, second also correct answer, right? Okay, submit this code now to the Leetcode. Make sure the code gets accepted by the Leetcode. So this is a string builder solution. So it also got accepted with 44.42 percentile, which is pretty decent. So you can see that manual implementation is much faster than the string builder one. This is the way you can solve this problem on Leetcode 2000 reverse prefix of word. So I hope you understood both the solutions clearly, and if you like both the solutions guys, then don't forget to give a like. Go ahead and like this video right now and click on the bell notification icon button so you won't miss any important videos from this channel. And your subscription is very important, so go ahead and please subscribe to our channel. You will get all good notifications for interesting videos from our channel. Here we have solved more than 600 different varieties of important coding problems for you, that are coding interview questions asked by big companies such as Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Yahoo, Google, Meta. And if you go through those videos, will definitely give you a good prep for your interview rounds. The important playlist I would like to recommend to you guys are BFS and DFS problems playlist. उसके बाद कौन सी है? उसके बाद देखना आप ग्राफ्स, मैट्रिसेस, ट्रीज, बाइनरी सर्च ट्रीज, वो वाली प्लेलिस्ट। उसके बाद बाइनरी सर्च के प्रॉब्लम्स की प्लेलिस्ट देख लेना। उसके बाद देखना आप डायनामिक प्रोग्रामिंग, रिकर्शन, मेमोराइजेशन वाली प्लेलिस्ट। उसके बाद डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स के लिए आप ये देखना स्टैक्स क्यूज, प्रायोरिटी क्यूज, मिन हीप, मैक्सी, पैरेज, एरेलिस, लिंक लिस्ट वाले प्रॉब्लम्स की प्लेलिस्ट। सो ये सब अलग अलग प्लेलिस्ट है, इसमें बहुत बढ़िया क्वालिटी के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करके दिखाए गए हैं। आपके इंटरव्यूज में आपको बहुत अच्छा प्रिपेयर कराएंगे। और अगर आप जावा J2E डेवलपर है, जावा J2E सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर है, तो आपके लिए स्पेशल वीडियोस है। कौन से? फ्रीक्वेंटली आज जावा J2E टेलीफोनिक इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस एंड हाउ टू आंसर देम वाले। तो जावा J2E टेलीफोनिक इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन सर्च कर लेना, चैनल पे आपको मिल जाएंगे। और माई सीक्वल प्रोग्रामिंग के भी वीडियोस आपने अभी तक नहीं देखे तो उसके भी स्पेशल प्लेलिस्ट आपके लिए बनाए हैं, क्योंकि इन पर्सन राउंड्स में सीक्वल क्वेरी लिखाने को बोलते ही है, तो सीक्वल क्वेरी लिखते आने ही चाहिए। तो उसके लिए आपको बहुत हेल्पफुल हो जाएंगे। आपको पता चल जाएगा कि सीक्वल किस तरीके के प्रॉब्लम्स सीक्वल के पूछे जाते हैं इंटरव्यूज में, तो आप अच्छी तरीके से प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं ना। तो देख लेना और डेफिनेटली लाइक कर लेना गाइस, सब्सक्राइब कर लेना और शेयर कर लेना वीडियोस को आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ, तो वो भी हमारे चैनल से जुड़ सकेंगे। और थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो, until then bye bye।